lot going on right here, huh? Okay. That looked like a figure or a ship that just rotated, right? What's that hiding there? And then you got the blue beam laser plasma in front of it. That thing's still moving. Oh, hey, we're forming two at once. There was something on the right, something on the left that dissipated. Now this is going off. That's definitely moving. I know it's not just clouds moving, they're being moved. What was the thing behind it? Was that the sun behind it? What's going on here, man? I got moved way off to the left, didn't I? How about that skull head with the big eyes there? I mean, does anyone think that's normal? That's not normal. That's not normal. Come on, man. Shadow hiding me most of the time on X. All this stuff. People think this is normal? That's not fucking normal. What is going on? Well, I think it's aerospace companies. Mostly. I mean, there might be some AI going on or demonic going on, but I think it's aerospace companies trying to make things look demonic. But anyway, in the name of God, in the name of Yahweh, in the name of Jesus, I compel you to leave me alone. If you have bad intentions towards me, towards humanity, I only want to speak with or see, or with true vision, see entities that want good for humanity, that will not harm me. I think you can clearly put this in the not normal. Above me every day is not normal for 3 months now.